In this video, we will cover the concepts of components in Angular. So what are the components? Components are a logical piece of code and are the most building block of a UI in an Angular application. So components always have a template and only one component can be instantiated per an element in a template. So components are defined using the @component decorator. So let's see one component. So this is the root component, which is the app component here, right? It is defined using @component. So this is what decorator, and this decorator has been imported from this core package within this Angular, right? Now this @component decorator, and it has selector, template URL, and then style. So which style sheet it will refer, and which template URL, that means which HTML file that it will refer to render on the browser. So this is here, it is refers to app.component.html, which is this file, and it rendered this application in the browser, right? So now what we can do, we can explore more about these components. So components are very easy to update and are reusable. We can use this component again and again in the application. That means you may use a component more than once by changing the business logic. Every Angular app has a root model where you define the main component to load. So here it is app.model.ts. So here we need to mention the component names. So as we do have the just one component, that is the app component. So we have mentioned here the app component, right? So here app component is the root component, and which has been mentioned here in the bootstrap, which will be selected and the bootstrap, right? When the app model loads, it checks which component is bootstrapped and loads that model, as seen in the app.model.ts. In this file, the model which is bootstrapped is app component. You can see here, right? The app component is defined in the file app.component.ts in this file. So this is the template URL that it contains the component, which refers to where we are going to map the HTML file and which styling sheet we are using. So here it's app.component.css, which is an empty file here, right? So in this way we can create component and then we can reuse in our application. So I will just give you one real-time example of component. Let me show you my application that I developed, the clone of Amazon. In this application, you can see there are different products. The template of all the products are same, but having the different name, price, ratings, image. So can we use this template again and again for different products having different images, name, price, and the ratings, right? So for that, let's check the source code. This is the home page that we have for this application, which contains this product component. It is calling this product component again and again by sending different data, ID1 for this product, the title, price, image, and the ratings. Then the second product, so we are using this product component again and again here. Now you can see in the product component, this is payment, this is product. This is a set of code that we are executing again and again for each and every product. So now you can see this small piece of code is getting used again and again when we need to add the product in this list, right? So when you go to home page, you will see there are many products that we are sending data from here, and the small piece of code is getting used again and again. In this way, we can have a component which can be reused in our application, and we can reduce the set of codes in our application so that it do not become bulky, right? So in our next video, we will see how to create one custom component.